Hi guys, I hope that you are all doing really well. I just wanted to come on here and make this video talking about some of your updates for grades because I know I've been getting a lot of reminds and a lot of emails asking about how grades are going to be done for quarter four. We just got those updates this week, so I thought I would go ahead and make a video as to how it pertains to our chemistry class to kind of clear up any kind of confusion that you guys may have. Number one, we are putting grades in for quarter four. So I've already started putting those in. It's going to take me a while because you guys have done a lot. We've assigned a lot during quarter four. So give me some time. I'm working it out. But hopefully by Monday, you guys will kind of know where you stand for the quarter. So the way it works is that we're not putting any formal grades in. Okay. So basically everything that you've done for quarter four so far will all be informal grades. Okay, so they're informal grades and there won't be any final exams either. So no final exams, you will be getting grades. They will all be informal. And anything that we've done up until basically this week, you can get one of 3 grades for. So if you have like mastered the content, meaning like if we were in class, you would have gotten like an 85 or above on it. If you've mastered the content, you get a 90 to 100, okay? If you completed the assignment, but you struggled a little bit and you weren't quite there, you can get an 80 to an 89, okay? If you didn't complete the assignment, it's an exemption, okay? So that's up through this week. It's going to change a little bit for the last few weeks of school, but we'll get there. So that means everything that I have assigned to you so far, there's one of 3 grades you can get, okay? You're either going to see something between a 90 and a 100. Spoiler alert, it's probably going to be a 100 because if you guys have actually been putting forth the effort to log on and do the work and turn it in on time, I'm going to give you 100 for it, okay? So 90 to 100, 80 to 89. If it's something that you turned in and just really, you didn't put the effort forth, I might give you an 85, okay? And then if you didn't turn anything in, it's an exemption. So that being said, these next 3 weeks, okay, so starting on May 11th, so May 11th through the 29th, we're only going to be grading a maximum of 2 assignments a week, or I'm only going to be grading a maximum of 2 assignments a week. That means in total for me, you're going to have about 6 assignments left to do, okay? These assignments in the next few weeks, you will not get exemptions for if you don't do them, okay? So if you do not do the last 6 assignments of the class, you will get a 59, okay? And what that means, okay, so stay with me. If you haven't done anything up to this point and you're sitting just at an exemption right now, so you really don't have a grade, if you skip out on the last 6 assignments, you will get a 59 for quarter 4. Okay, you will fail quarter 4. That being said, now if you pass quarter 3 with an A, right? If you pass quarter 3 with an A or B and you fail quarter 4, it's not going to make you fail the whole course. But if you had a 60 in quarter 1 or quarter 3 and you get a 59 in quarter 4 because you don't do the last few assignments, you're going to fail the course. So just something to keep in mind. Again, you guys need to be thinking about whether or not you're going to take that pass, the withdraw, or the numerical calculate in your GPA. Now, I said you failed the course, but if you get below a 60, it's a withdrawal. Nobody's technically failing. It's not going on your transcripts, but you will have to take chemistry again. So my suggestion to you guys is just to please make sure that you do the last 6 assignments of the course. It's not new content. We're done teaching new content. So I did this last week with your Le Chatelier's principle and all that stuff. You guys should be making your way through it, but we're done. Okay, we're done teaching you guys anything new. So the last 6 assignments will be review of everything we did while we were in class, so in quarter 4 or quarter 3. So there's not going to be anything new. It'll all be review. It's going to be, not that bad. So just do it and turn it in so you don't get a 59 on it. Okay? So I'm working my way through grading. Be thinking about what you want to do about the grade. So do you want to take the numerical grade, the pass, which means you get the credit for chemistry, you just don't get your grade counted towards your GPA, or with the withdraw. So you'll have to withdraw if you fail, meaning but you get below a 60. Okay. My goal is to at least get everybody above a 60 so that you all get at least a pass and get the credit for chemistry. A lot of my honors kids, you guys were at A's and B's, take the numerical grade. And like if you do all of your work for quarter 4, so all of your virtual learning work, and you have 100 for quarter 4, that quarter 4 will calculate into your quarter 3. So just look at it as, you know, basically a whole semester of extra credit, right? That's what I would do. So if you guys haven't been doing anything and you do have access to the internet and the computer, don't skip out on the last 6 assignments. Okay, so starting May 11th, you have to do those last 6 assignments or you will get 59s for those. Okay, so I think that's it. I'll be on Zoom tomorrow. I'm going to set up a Zoom meeting at some point. I have to think about the time because I have a couple tomorrow. But if you guys have any questions, you can let me know. Or if it's better for me to schedule one next week and do some last minute or some just check in and review and stuff for you guys as we wrap up this school year. Or if you have any other questions about grading, I could just do a Zoom meeting specifically to go over grading. But that's that. I think that's all the updates that you guys need. I hope you're all doing really well. I hope you're holding up. Things are about to start opening up. The malls are supposed to open tomorrow, so that'll be very interesting. But I miss you guys. I wish that our semester had been a little bit differently because I really enjoyed you guys as a whole, as a group this year. You guys have been great. I was really looking forward to watching some of you walk across that stage when you graduate. So I'll be interested to see what CMS does in terms of your graduation ceremonies, but I don't know. That's life. I guess we're just taking it day by day at this point, but I'm proud of you guys. I appreciate those of you that have actually been doing your work and turning it in. I know that it's hard. I know our content is hard, especially to do on your own and to try to learn it on your own. Because a lot of you, I don't think, wake up early enough for the Zoom meetings. So, but I miss you. I hope you are all doing well. And most of you are sophomores and juniors, so I hope to see you guys in the hallways next year. And hopefully nothing like this will ever happen again. So I'll be in contact with you guys over the next few weeks. But until then, have a really great weekend. And if you have any questions, let me know.